So the blue velvet shrimp arrived today. We've got the aquarium set up. It's been cycled. We've got our drip system going right here, which is just the air hose tube, and it is brought down to a bucket. I've got a couple of knots on it, and you can see it's just a slow drip. You can see that when I first put those shrimp in that bucket, they went right over to that little hunk of moss that they send with it. And you can see them starting to crawl out from under it. And they were kind of bleached out in color, and that's normal. A little stress from hanging out there. They're looking for someplace to go, but we'll give them about a good half an hour to acclimate with this water. We'll get them into the new home. Slow and easy on the acclimation. So I've been looking at and studying with these people that are real shrimp breeders. So we figured this is our first shot at these. We'll do what they say.